Hi friends! Today I'm going to be making double cheesecake. It's a famous product of Hokkaido company and I wanted to make this cheesecake for a long time and I have a leftover sponge cake and cream cheese, so let's give it a try. Preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Crack your egg into a shallow measuring cup. This is my favorite, as you might already know. Beat until the egg white and the yolk combines well. The cream cheese should be at room temperature. With a spatula, soften the cream cheese until smooth. Add in sugar. Mix until smooth. Add beaten egg to cream cheese in 3. Mix well each time. Switch to whisk and mix until smooth. Add in vanilla and mix until very smooth. Scrape the side and the bottom. Pour into the cake tin lined with parchment paper. Shake gently to flatten the surface. Pop in the oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the edges swell but still jiggling in the center. Take it out and let it sit until it comes to room temperature. Now let's move on to the second layer. First, we are blooming the powdered gelatin. Sprinkle gelatin powder into the water and let it bloom for 5 minutes. Soften your cream cheese. Add sugar and stir until smooth. Bring the milk to a boil and add the bloomed gelatin and dissolve. Pour the hot milk mixture into the cream cheese mixture. Switch to whisk and whisk until smooth. Set aside while whisking the heavy cream. Whisk until soft peaks form. Now let's combine the cheese mixture and whipped heavy cream together. Add heavy cream in 2 to 3 and whisk until evenly incorporated. The consistency looks nice. Pour over the baked cheesecake, which has been cooled to room temperature. Even the surface and chill a couple of hours or until set. Take out the cake and cover it thinly with the whipped cream. Chill in the fridge while preparing the cake crumb. Use your strainer to make a fine cake crumb. This is the leftover sponge cake, the bottom part of the cake. I love the idea not wasting a piece of cake and making it into something nicer. Cover the entire surface of the cake with the cake crumb. And there you have it. Double cheesecake is done. The bottom layer is dense and rich, and the top layer is light and creamy. It's a perfect cheesecake for a spring gathering. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And go to my website for more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!